Well, there's a group of workers that'll definitely be out and about today. We're talking about heating and cooling employees. They say they've been slammed with calls about people's furnaces going out, but there are things you can do to make sure your furnace stays running efficiently. First, replace the filter. Dennis Wiesner with Airy Heating and Conditioning says turn down the heat when you leave. Do not turn it off. You also need to make sure your furnace vent is clear of snow. If it gets clogged, it could push carbon monoxide into your home.